Ever wonder what it takes to get your home ready to sell and then sold? Thinking of selling on your own? What's the best preparation and pricing strategy for your place? Hi friends and neighbors, I'm Brett West with the UrbanCastle team at McEnearney Associates Realtors in Washington, D.C. When it comes to selling your home, there are lots and lots and lots of questions about how best to go about it. Today, I'll answer some of the top questions about home selling. Stand by. Do I have to paint the interior of my home gray? Should I renovate the kitchen? Where do I even start? These are some of the questions that come across my plate every day. By the way, if you like anything you hear today, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions that aren't covered in this video, please leave them in the comment section below. Today's big question: how much are broker fees and are they negotiable? Let's start by acknowledging that everything is negotiable. Customarily, broker fees in the DC metro area run 6% of the price of sale. The broker fee is typically split 50-50 between the listing brokerage, the realtor who actually sells your home, and the brokerage that brings your buyer. There are many businesses out there built on the promise of minimizing costs of broker commissions, sometimes to as little as 1%. And of course, often this comes with a reduction in services provided, not something that they're going to come out and tell you. Here's what I'd ask of them. For a 1% broker fee, what are you going to do to sell my home? Will there be open houses? Professional photography? Video walkthrough? And I should say, in this day and age, there's little excuse for any home not to have a video tour. Full color brochures? Will my home be advertised? Who will my point person be who I can reach by phone, nights, and weekends? I'll tell you one thing. All of these discount brokerages will tell you what they'll save you. But what they won't tell you is what they plan to do to help you earn money above and beyond on the sale of your home that can, quite honestly, be a far greater amount than the discount on offer. They also won't tell you that when a buyer's brokerage sees a commission of 1% or less, you are far less likely to have showings. Why? Well, when realtors are working our tails off to help our buyers see as many homes as possible, putting them in the car, providing market analyses, writing offers, managing contracts, we're doing so for a price of 2.5% to 3% of the sale price. So when a seller is offering significantly less, well, realtors are just a lot less willing to show your home to their buyers. And buyers also know they're on the hook to pay the difference between this basement bargain price and whatever they've agreed to in their buyer agency agreement. And I can't stress enough how important it is to attract as many prospective buyers and willing realtors to see your home as possible.